South Kalimantan's coastal swamp wetland ecosystems are threatened with degradation due to heavy metal contamination from anthropogenic activities that are not routinely monitored, posing a serious threat to organism health, biological sustainability, and coastal ecosystem function. Mitigation is urgent, with biomonitoring using fish as bioindicators. Objectives and stages of research in the year I evaluating the actual condition of the pollution status of coastal swamp waters of Kuala Lumpur and Kuala Tumbangan based on physico-chemical water quality tests with the pollution index method and tests of PB, Hg, Cd, Zn, Fe, Cu, Cr contamination levels in water bodies with AS atomic absorption spectrophotometer. Comparative assessment of heavy metal bioaccumulation in the liver, meat, skin tissues in Otek area Sagar, Sembalang plodosus lineatus, and mullet cephalus fish. Assessed the influence of ecology and anatomy on heavy metal bioaccumulation in the test fish species. It determined the potential of commercial fish species as the best bioindicator. Little information on efforts to mitigate the adverse effects of heavy metal pollution in coastal swamp waters of South Kalimantan with biomonitoring techniques. Using fish as bioindicators, water quality data and bioaccumulation of heavy metals in different fish tissues provide qualitative and quantitative information on the ecological health of coastal swamps. This study showed that mullet fish have the highest bioaccumulation of heavy metals compared to other and semblance fish. Liver tissue has the highest bioaccumulation of heavy metals, followed by skin and muscle, especially in liver tissue. Mullet cephalus accumulates Fe, Cu, Cr, Zn, and Pb. Iron Fe is the dominant heavy metal contaminating water. And commercial fish species in the coastal swamp waters of South Kalimantan. The condition of the coastal swamp waters of Kuala Lumpur and Kuala Tumbangan is moderately polluted, with the values of BOD, COD, U, and TSS exceeding the established threshold value, namely PPRE number 22 of 2021 Implementation of Environmental Protection and Management, Seawater Quality Standards for Marine Biota. Kuala Lumpur and Kuala Tumbangan coastal swamp waters contain heavy metals in the order of Fe, Cu greater than Zn greater than Cr greater than Pb greater than Cd greater than Hg. Fe concentration was highest and exceeded the international and national threshold value regulations NAB, while Cu and Cr concentrations only exceeded the national NAB. E3 commercial fish species cephalus, Arius sager. Plodosus lineatus contained heavy metals in the order of Fe greater than Zn greater than Cu greater than Cr greater than Pb greater than Cd greater than Hg. cephalus is the highest heavy metal bioaccumulator, followed by Arius sager and Plodosus lineatus. The concentration of Fe, Cu and Cr in the body of cephalus, Arius sager and Plodosus lineatus exceeded the international and national NAB regulations. Liver tissue was the highest bioaccumulator of heavy metals, followed by skin and muscle, especially in liver tissue. cephalus accumulates Fe, Cu, Cr, and Pb. Iron Fe is the dominant heavy metal polluting water. And commercial fish species in the coastal swamp waters of South Kalimantan, different stations, namely estuary, muara and coastal, had no significant effect on heavy metal concentrations in water and fish tissue. Kuala Lumpur coastal swamp is more contaminated with heavy metals than Kuala Tumbangan. If cephalus has potential as a bioindicator species of heavy metal pollution in coastal swamps of South Kalimantan, Assessment, mitigation of heavy metal pollution. In coastal swamps of South Kalimantan, using biomonitoring techniques should be conducted routinely to evaluate aquatic health, biodiversity preservation, and commercial fish-based food safety. It is necessary to study the mechanism of heavy metal toxicity in commercial fish and develop non-invasive biomonitoring methods that are environmentally friendly, easy, and in line with conservation principles. Non-invasive methods using fish skin mucus or scales are highly recommended.